right guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh man, that was a nice little warm-up I did, but today we brought some cones, baby. Cones. So I'm gonna set the first one up and then get a nice little warm-up in there, and then we're gonna start working on those figure eights. So let me set these cones up. Let me set at least one cone up, and let's get busy. All right, so I have my first cone on that side right there, and the second cone right there. As you can see, hopefully it's wide enough so that we can you know, make our passes. So let's just get in and get to work. Give your boy a little bit of a break. All right, let's get this little warm up in here. Go on my cone. Space where you want to go. Already, man. Oh, it's nice and slidey. Oh, sweet. Going on my cone. Space where you want to go. Already, man. Oh, it's nice and slidey. Oh, sweet. Oh, shit. Now I gotta hit that one right? Okay. Hold on, let me grab. Let me get this out of the car really quick. All right, so I made sure I went inside that little water area over there. Make sure nobody's coming this way. All right, I'm gonna start going around this. Let's get busy. So much easier with the water. Let's hit the other one. Come on. Boom. Ah, gotta love it, man. Oh my goodness. My goodness. All right, let's go again. Oh, we got it. Where's boy? Let's go. Again. Trying to mess that up. Let's go again. That's what we're here for. Start wide. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Then much gas on that one. Let's go. Oh my goodness, man. This is the perfect day. I got these cones. Oh my goodness. All right. Can we take a little break? You see this puddle of water right here? And that's what I've been doing. I just go through this like puddle of water. Nice and slippery real quick. Just a little bit slip, not a lot. All right, let's go again. Oh my God. It's so much better with a visual representation of what you have to do. Like last time I was out here just trying to like visualize the figure eight. I mean, it's doable, you can still do it, but it's so much better with just the cones. And this water just makes everything so much better, man. This water just makes me drive my little tires through here, cool them off, make them nice and slippery. Go around this again, and then I'm gonna take a little break. That one up a little bit, just a little bit. That second part, coming around that second part, I really gotta flick the steering wheel. And I think that's what I'm missing, I'm flicking the steering wheel. I mean, I don't know what my man is doing in the corner over there, but there's so many tissue paper on the floor. There you go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna stay out here and I'm gonna keep getting after it. But, oh look, see that? Sun just came out. It's just letting me know I need to be here. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna keep on practicing. You guys, if you like what you see, please like the video. Sub to the channel if you want. You know, it's free. It's free. And I'll see you guys in the next one.